Gonna have to see ID and touch your pockets for officer safety. So where you coming from? And what does it make you think that you have freedom?
I have used that song in many of my videos and will continue to use that song. Feed the Creature Light, who is located in Tennessee, recently reached out to me. He said people have been contacting him saying, "Hey, I heard your music on News Now California's channel." So I am glad he is getting some recognition. I would like everybody to go to Feed the Creature's Light channel, subscribe, show some love and support. Thanks, everybody. And if you didn't like the music, then forget about it.